Alright, let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. Alright, so I'm looking at two different patterns here. I have a smaller one, triangle pattern, something like this yellow triangle. What we can do is get at the top of the bottom of the back of the triangle, drag it to the breakout. We got a breakout right here, and we got a target of around .361. It looks like I've been talking about this resistance box right here, and it looks like that's exactly where we're getting kind of rejected at. We're having a little bit of trouble making it past. The second thing I wanted to show you guys is that it looks like we have this big triangle pattern, something like this. We didn't quite do this, but we did kind of something like this. I'm curious if we're done forming this triangle or if we're going to come down and retest it and then get it bounced back up. One thing that I really like that's happening right now is if we go to the daily time frame. I talked about this on one of my last videos, is that we're not going to want to get really bullish until we break above this 9 moving average, and we have broken above this 9 moving average finally. We were below it in this area right here, and I was kind of worried that we were going to go to the downside because of it. We haven't gotten a bounce off of it yet, so we could still break back down through it. However, if we go down and we bounce off of it, in my opinion, that is when we're going to be very, very bullish, guys. Let's go into the 4-hour time frame. We have this big triangle pattern, something like that. I think if we break out, we could possibly be looking at this target from the top of the bottom of this triangle, this trend line to the top of the bottom. Drag that to the breakout. I'm not sure where the breakout is going to be, so let's just do it on maybe the lowest point, and we're looking at approximately .53 target, guys. I'm not guaranteeing that it's going to go to the upside, but I'm just kind of speculating on what can happen if we do keep going to the upside, and if we hit this target, then the next target is going to be .53 or something like that. I mean, I want to see what happens right here. Maybe we'll get rejected or get a little bit of correction, but it honestly seems like if we come up here, we might just keep moving to the next target. I'm not 100% sure, but it's just what I'm kind of thinking is possible. Alright, if you guys like that video, hit that thumbs up button.